Have you ever been stalked?
No, I haven't been stalked at all.
I know I have.
I know I have too.
Now, let's go back to see what the stalking days are like.
Let's go back.
Oh, jeez. Okay, hi. I'm on this girl's roof. I mean, you know, I don't really officially meet her, but I mean, she's kind of cool, so I'm just gonna see what she's doing. Not in a weird way or anything. Oh, she must have had a party last night. Oh, crap. She almost saw me. Just slide in here. Oh, crap.
That was my experience being stalked, and I had many more. But now, I'm going to show you someone else being stalked that I witnessed. Okay, my stalking days are over. I don't have a stalker anymore. But I've been following my one friend Rachel around, and she has a stalker. Okay, go check it out. That's the stalker in the red. She's under the bridge stalking her.
Wow, what a pretty day. Oh my god, why are you stalking me? Get away from me! Oh my gosh, why are you stalking me? Get away from me!
Okay, I invented a product. Now this product will take us and transport us away from our stalkers. All I have to do is press the button of where I want to go. Okay, so I'm going to press button number 1. Where is it going to take me? Button 1 took us to the dugouts. We're away from our stalker. But let's test out my product more. Where will button 2 take us? What the heck? We're in the back of a car? What the heck?
What's going on?
Okay, that button wasn't preset, but just so you know, you can preset your buttons on your stalker remote.
Oh no, they're coming! Press button!
A music studio? What?
What's happening?
Hey, we're on the roof. Hey. Now, hey, I'm going to explain this product. Basically, all you do is press the button to where you want to go when you're being stalked.
Yeah.
And that's all about the stalker remote. Warnings. This place may take you back in time and you may not be able to get out. Have a stalker-free life.